Hi everyone, good to see you all. Welcome back again to Dante and Jools' kitchen. We're going to come up with another new recipe. And you want to tell them the name?
Parmigiana di Melanzane, or Melanzane alla Parmigiana.
Whatever you prefer.
Which is actually, in American terms, you would say eggplant with Parmesan. But obviously we're in the UK, so we'll stick to aubergines.
Yeah, but one of my favourites that my mum used to make a lot, you know. Doesn't cost a lot to make this, but my God, it's really tasty. But that's Southern Italian cooking for you.
Yeah, well, actually, that's right. I checked it out. It's actually, it was created in 1733 by a man called Vincenzo Corrado. And he made this dish for the aristocrats of Naples at the time. So that's what it originates from.
But you can basically get it anywhere in Italy now, but it is a southern dish, and like I said,
you can get it in the kiln.
But we can show you now what the ingredients are that we take to make this beautiful dish. Okay, so the ingredients that we need to make a lovely melanzane are here, and I'm just about to show you. Grated breadcrumbs. So you can buy them in the supermarket.
No, well, they know where they can get breadcrumbs, come on.
Okay.
And panko crumbs, actually. It's a mixture of both, believe it or not.
Yeah, well, just breadcrumbs, right? Here we have, I've just, what do you call it? Whisked 2 eggs.
Salmonella.
Plain flour. Here are the big red hot
grapes.
Purple aubergines. Aubergines. Okay. Shredded mozzarella that Dante shredded all day today. Parmesan cheese, the best of buffalo mozzarella cheese.
Lots of more.
Don't use anything other than buffalo mozzarella.
Buffalo mozzarella.
And earlier, well, you can explain.
Yeah, well, this is just a plain sort of Napoli sauce. I've done this one before. If you click the link below, we'll post a video on how to make that. I'm sure some of you tried it out and said it was really nice. So yeah, that's everything, and I look forward to just making it now.
So now we'll show you the process of how to make this lovely dish. Okay, follow me. And
this way.
So this is a knife, and what we do is we cut the top part of the aubergine like that, and then we cut the bottom part like that, and look, you can make it stand. So
I'm good at making
the next one, you kind of...
Oh, do you need to peel it?
No, we don't need to peel it.
Oh, you're...
Right, so I need to take that away, and now we start...
You know, it's no easier to do this, sorry.
No, you don't peel this, you don't peel this.
No.
No. Will you leave me, please? So, you have to just cut it into, like, I don't know, what are they? What's that, half a centimetre? I don't know.
Oh, thickness, you mean?
Yes.
Probably.
So we cut one like that.
A centimetre.
And you cut all the way through.
Look a bit thick.
No, you've got a bit of that. You really shouldn't be doing it really, but see, I'm good with a knife.
I'll get the kids to do it like that.
Right, so there we have, out of one aubergine, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4.
Right, okay.
So what we're going to show you now is how to dress it. And while I dress it, can you cut the rest of the aubergine, sir? Okay, so the next step is actually frying off the aubergine and stuff like that. So what I tend to do is we have our flour, our egg, our breadcrumbs. So we dip it in like this.
Did you take a bite of that?
No, I did not. So you give that a nice little coat and...
Sorry, can I ask you something?
Yes?
He's getting angry. Are you going to meant to salt it first?
No.
To drain...
This is my...
Right, okay, I'm just asking.
Then we go on to the egg. You see? Like that. Then, into the breadcrumbs. into the pan. Let's just sizzle a wee bit more. Get that heat up.
Well, that is, look.
Oh, right. We kind of let that shallow fry for maybe 3 or 4 minutes each side, and then once we do that, once they're kind of golden brown, once we do that, then we put them onto the plate and just rest them there. Okay? So now, once we see them kind of crispy golden brown, we then take it off and put it on to a plate and just let them settle until you make the next batch. It's lovely and crispy when you hear that. See? It's nice and crispy.
That's the panko crumbs.
Yeah. I'll panko with you.